as from Bombay, and I think definitely sports can be used as a tool for world peace, considering the onset of Olympics. I think what stand most countries are taking forward with the thing happening in Tibet and all, atrocities of China against the people in Tibet, and most people are opting of not participating in the Olympics. So in a way, maybe sports in that way may be considered as a tool for promoting peace.
Okay. What's your name and where are you from?
Myself, Soni Kapoor.
And you're a mother?
Yeah.
Okay. How many children do you have?
Just one kid.
Just one. Okay.
So same topic.
Yeah. Same question.
Same question.
Actually, what do you think kids learn from sports?
They learn to concentrate. The main thing is like they learn teamwork, how to play with others, and obviously the energy is channelized in a positive way. That's the basic thing. I think that helps the kid to channelize their energy. That's it. And concentration, obviously, they concentrate more on. They are more focused. What has to be done. They learn to listen to instructions, follow the instructions,
and basically they play that sport, which is the main aim at putting.
What's the most important thing that your kids take from playing sports? Because some parents don't allow their kids to play sports in India, they just study all the time.
I don't think so.
Things are changing.
Things are changing. Things are really
what we went through as children ourselves, when there weren't many facilities around, we rarely got to play sports. And at this age, we are realizing we should have had one sport. It would have helped us definitely be in shape. And we see our kids playing tennis, and we hope we can just go across and pick up a racket and start playing. So we missed playing sports really on outside school. So that is what we don't want our children to miss. So that's the reason.
I think nowadays parents, they want at least one sport activity should be there in their curriculum. They should go out for one sport at least. I think that has changed. When we were small, we were really not allowed. There was no exposure also.
Do you think it was because you were a girl, or there was just no sports in India?
No exposure, not
sports were limited to what we played in school.
Yeah, that
really.
Was it. But now as if they have
only those who played really well were encouraged from school to go for competitions and all. So it just remained at that level.
Yeah.
But we want something more for kids, and obviously they play sport, so it's for life. They remain in good shape. And I see my husband just took up tennis after the kids started playing, and he's enjoying. So that's the reason we keep telling our kids, okay, don't drop out of tennis. When you are in your 30s, that's the time when you'll realize you just stuck to one sport. So the aim is that.
Okay, awesome. I'm running out.